Natural talents create all beautiful things. The pyramids, Sistine Chapel, Taj Mahal, Great Wall of China, iPhone. However, the most beautiful things on the earth are just natural. Bringing nature to the natural talents. QAADU. QAADU brings the goodness of Ayurveda with 100% vegan ingredients, formulated through extensive research that ensures quality outcomes. Our products are naturally the best for health and beauty needs, as it carries no harmful substances. All of a sudden, the dream city was hit by the pandemic. Roads were closed, companies were shut down, and millions were sent back home. They left their Dubai dreams behind. Mr. Shafin Kalathingel, an investment banker by profession, was among them. But for him, it was a blessing in disguise. He resumed his research and found exciting permutations and combinations to create a fantastic range of products. Years of research led him to QAADU, a natural choice for his entrepreneurial appeasement. QAADU, a name derived from the Kaadu, the Malayalam word for forest, is set around a brand principle, internally known as the QAA principle. We position science at the center of our process and create scientific outcome-based quality evaluation at every stage. We aim to make premium quality natural beauty available and accessible to a larger mass, reducing chemical exposure to the human skin. All our products are certified vegan by the world's best and oldest vegan certification, the Vegan Society of UK. And most of our products are manufactured from USFDA registered GMP and ISO certified facilities. Moms and kids deserve natural attention. So are the men. Some need a booster for a better life. Care for the hair. Care for the face and the body. QAADU, naturally the best.